Zion art is wicked and wild. Sunday and booty is wicked and wild. But I'm instead and but I'm instead well versatile. Oh I but I'm instead tell them that we ready. Put enough know that we doing it steady. People know that we day up on a meditation. Yeah, I up in the nation. Yeah, we living it up and we second hand bucks and we gonna be touched. When they know about it, we ride it, we killing the party. They be talking about it, don't give a damn, we get rowdy like whoa, killing that flow. Young one niggas gonna be your yo. And then what we said, but I know that we real. Pull up in the building and we making that steel, mess around in your field. We don't give a damn, but it's ain't just gonna be sane. I mean, rapping the fame, and I know that we doing it big. All my dreams, let me leave it. Give me that contract green, I'll be burning up, but they rap that team, but I know that my young is burning the green. I'll be stepping up, I'll be keeping it clean. What they know about it, we be smoking on the high grade. Everywhere we go, you know my youngest, we just gotta slay. Underlay, no delay, we just gotta go stay the game. Messing around and you getting slain. Don't give a damn what they hate to say. Oh, I just be doing my thing and I realize my youngest pull up and we back in the steel. Don't give a damn what the haters they talking about. Better know we take on my like, ooh yeah. We just be grinding all day. We just be getting bars, say. Know that we rock the cars, say. Okay, hit him up, hit him up, hit him up with it. I'm a youngest, but I don't know what we been. We couldn't do it like I'm feeling niggas, they hitting the body, they give a damn, we got just like whoa. I just be grinding hard, young one niggas every rep they yard. Know that we doing it from them gang. All of my young niggas rep the fam. All at the hill, I'll be training the game. Let's run up, we been, I'll be paying the bills. And best I know said I quit drill. Tell them say we there and we there up and I'm ready. So you know the name of the rules, they are keeping steady. Tell them say we there and we there up and I'm ready. So you know the name of the rules, yeah we keep it heavy. Say it at the manga, Bongolion and Zion, come give them another one. They both the rules, but I know say that we always standing stronger. And the people they love and the way that we wanna be stepping on the Lana, Zion, and we tell them this at the Bama, Bongolion and Zion, come give them another one. And anyway that we step, but I know say that we standing stronger. The people they love and the way that we wanna be stepping on the Lana, tell them this ya one ya at the Bama, stand down the ring, it's at the Bama, I stick it down, it's at the Bama, stand down with a little, it's at the Bama, Freewild. Yeah, I just be doing my thing, my youngins be ready to bang. We don't give a damn what they saying, just cannot be tamed. We representing for the family, bring tragedy. They don't wanna mess with it, but I know that we been with it. Chillin' and killin', we do it like a villain, but they know that we riding up. Stacking that dough, yeah, we're just doing it all day. Pull up and we rock the party. Underlay, like no delay, you better know that we slay, like no time and stop. All of my youngins be ready to rock, but then we headed up straight to the top. Messing around on the day you get popped, we ain't talking a lot like woo. All of my youngins be grinding, we standing, we second and third, we keeping it true. They just be talking about it, we don't give a damn, playing hard and nibble to your roots. Don't give a damn what they talking about. All of my niggas, we taking them out. I ain't mind bugging like I tell you this. All of my niggas be stacking chips. Yeah. Oh boy. Somebody get it. Oh yeah. Stay on me get it. Oh boy. Big up. Zion Hard, nibble to your roots. One love for his town.
Yes, big up Bongolion, c'est vraiment la dernière. Merci la Péniche Cinéma. Rendez-vous chaque mardi, merci à vous aussi. Guidance. Last one for tonight. Dernier morceau. Big up us on the depths, not the place. All the family. Guidance. God bless.
We're gonna